Let's take a look at the flow editor, where scenario creation takes place. Once you have created a new scenario by using the New Scenario button on the right top, open the created scenario by clicking on it. This is what a scenario flow looks like, a canvas where you create scenes, add elements, and link them together. To move through the canvas, you can simply click and drag. In the top of the canvas, you will find the Flow Editor navigation options. Here you can either jump to the start scene or find a scene by filling in the name, but you can also jump from one scene to another. To select multiple scenes, just hold Shift and select those you want to bundle. You can also zoom in or out, either via the canvas or by scrolling on your mouse or trackpad. To create a scene, double-click anywhere in the empty canvas. Give it a title and click Enter. The Flow sidebar will now show additional information for this specific scene. On the top, we have the scene description, where you can add your script, actors, filming location, and any other details about this scene's atmosphere. Next are the elements that make your scenario engaging. From multiple choice questions to directions, and from hotspots to tooltips, each can be used and edited according to the requirements of the scene. To link a scene to another and create a flow, just click on an interactive element that should lead to the next scene. Then, you can drag and drop the connectivity line to the scene that comes after. Media files can be uploaded in the media page of the main scenario menu and linked to a scene either from this page or via the media tab in the scene sidebar in the flow. Once linked, you can easily edit the settings of all scene elements within the video editor. The Filming tab within the sidebar, as well as the main scenario menu, can be used to prepare your scenario for filming. Within the Settings tab, you can edit the main scenario settings as well as setting up your scoring system and feedback. Finally, use the Test button to test your scenario prior or after filming, and the Publish button once your scenario is completed to make it available for your targeted audience to play. For any questions or immediate assistance, click on the chat icon on the bottom right and we'll be more than happy to help.